Hi, this is Steve from Siemplify. With so much marketing of machine learning and security solutions, it can be difficult to understand how any given product uses machine learning. To help cut through the noise, I'm going to spend the next few minutes showing you exactly how the Siemplify Security Operations Platform uses machine learning to prioritize cases, recommend case assignment, and help analysts complete investigations. With that, let's begin. Siemplify uses machine learning to analyze and prioritize every case, as you can see here. So for instance, if there are security controls notorious for generating false positives, the simplified machine learning models will, over time, see this trend and automatically deprioritize them in the queue. Conversely, if many critical cases originate from a specific security control, machine learning will take this into account when assigning priorities. Now, SOC managers can immediately see critical cases that need immediate attention automatically. It's like having a virtual SOC analyst performing triage around the clock. Now, let's move on to the second case, case assignment recommendations. One of the most critical responsibilities of the SOC manager is to ensure cases are assigned and resolved as efficiently as possible. This can be challenging when you have a team with diverse skills and many cases to assign. Siemplify makes this job easier by providing case assignment recommendations. So let's take, for instance, this ransomware case. When I click on the case, I can see a section called Recommendations. Siemplify will recommend assigning this case to an analyst that has historically been successful in closing similar cases. To act on this recommendation, merely click on the Assign button. Of course, the ultimate decision is still up to the SOC manager, but with this bit of information, the SOC manager can ensure he or she is making a data-informed decision. The more the analysts interact with the platform, the better it becomes at understanding their skills and making case recommendations. Now, the final use case we'll look at today is how machine learning helps analysts complete investigations. Attacks are plentiful, but they are not necessarily unique. So while ideally a SOC analyst could quickly dig through old investigations when investigating an active case, it's just not that simple. Fortunately, Siemplify has built-in machine learning that does the heavy lifting for the analysts. So for example, in this ransomware case, if you look at the right side of the screen, you can see that Siemplify has identified a similar case. Now, if I wanted to go and learn how that similar case was handled, I click on the ID, and I can see everything that happened during that investigation. This information can help me close my current investigation faster. You'll also see a bonus use case here shown as well. Siemplify uses machine learning to recommend case tags based on historical cases. These tags are really useful if an analyst at any point needs to perform a search from the Search tab here. Proper tagging also helps the SOC management team gain visibility to the types of cases the SOC is regularly investigating. So there you have it. We've seen how Siemplify's machine learning helps you and your analysts get smarter with every alert and analyst investigation to ensure your SOC runs as efficiently and effectively as possible. To learn more about the Siemplify Security Operations Platform, visit us at siemplify.co. Thanks.